Now, the most common constitutional rights violations are violations of freedom of speech, excessive force, and deprivation of your right to raise your family. What they call that one is the right to pursue life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. These are being infringed all the time. People are protesting peacefully, and the officers come up and say, well, you're a threat. Or they have their horses, and they actually instigate the individuals to attack. And then they say, aha, you violated. Well, they were instigated. They should be allowed to protest in peaceful manners. The next thing is when you fail the attitude test, right? The officer asks you a question and maybe they don't like the way that you respond. We call it contempt of cop. Then the officer uses his badge as a show of authority and say, boy, you're gonna do whatever I say. And we know that tone, we don't like it. And as a result, we have violations that result. The last thing is when the officers come and try to infringe on your right to raise your children the way you see fit, to go to the schools. Maybe Child Protective Services comes in and says, well, we don't like the way you're raising your kids. We're going to take that over. What are you talking about? It's a 14th Amendment right to raise my child how I see fit. So arm yourself with these constitutional rights. Know when they're being violated. Reach out to a lawyer. Let's hold them accountable. Don't have your constitutional rights violated. That's all we have. Hold on to them. Treasure them. Trust me, it means a lot.